Don't touch your face.
Contagious.
And I haven't touched my face in weeks.
Because we can't help it. It's part of our DNA. We're hardwired to do it. We know this because humans as young as fetuses in utero touch their faces. So every time you tell yourself, stop touching your face, don't touch your face, if I touch my face, I'm going to get really ill. You're telling yourself to do something that is entirely unnatural to you. When we touch our faces, what we're really doing is calming ourselves down. When we touch certain areas of our faces, what we're really doing is we're activating certain pressure points, which then activates something called the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the thing that makes us calm ourselves down internally. We see the same response in dogs and cats. Children often model the same behavior as their parents. So if our parents, when they're shocked, they touch their faces, or when they're surprised, they touch their faces, or if they're upset, they touch their faces, we're much more likely to do exactly the same thing. The irony is, at a time when it's more important than ever to not touch your face, unconsciously, your mind is constantly moving to a place where it can better protect you by doing the things that it knows will soothe you, and so your unconscious mind will prompt your hands to go straight to your face. Whilst it's almost impossible to totally stop touching your face, a key way that you can go about making it easier would be to take out the habits which lead you to do it. So that might mean wearing glasses instead of contact lenses. It might mean wearing less makeup so you don't have to top it up throughout the day. It might also mean creating habits around how you use your hands. So rather than perhaps when you're always moving around and having your hands like this and making it so easy for them to land on your face, making an effort to cross your hands and put them on your lap. Then when the urge comes to pick your hands up and touch your face, you'll be more aware of what you're doing and you'll be quicker to catch yourself. I cleaned my hands before I touched my face.